So here's the origin of a pentagram. Every conjunction point makes a dot. Every conjunction point after that makes a line. Now the Sumerians had the sun as the center of the universe, or center of the solar system. And this is where you're seeing this model is from. This is the Sumerian model and how they came up with this. This is Venus inside of Earth's conjunction and how they see it as the morning and evening star, and the correlation that they have over an 8-year period, actually 8 years in one day. Here's the way it would look from the top as you see these conjunctions form again and align. Each time it comes around and makes a conjunction, you get a line. At that conjunction point, you draw a line to the last one you had, and you end up with a perfect pentagram. The reason it took so long for people to get out of the idea of the Earth being the center of the universe is because of what comes here. You can see the moon spinning around, and how now we get an internal version of the same thing, not off the planet but off of us. And this is making a spirograph program. Remember a spirograph when you were a kid, how it rolled around and made different lines? Well, they're only doing these lines during the conjunction. They shoot a line. And if you'll look, each one of these is arc seconds. Or procession of the arc as it goes around. But you can also see that it's still making this same symbol and pattern. And this is us floating through the solar system, or floating through the galaxy, doing our major orbit, not the 1-year orbit, but the long orbit, and how it slowly would spin through the processions. Okay? Now in a minute we're going to see how if you put the Earth at the center of this, how that would instantly change everything, but it doesn't. And it's why the people went ahead and stuck with it for so long, and they even killed people if they thought that the Earth wasn't at the center of it. Here's the Earth at the center, with the sun going around, with their model, and how Venus does its precessionary wobble. And every time you have this wobble in relation to us, in relation to the sun, you will get this exact same representation. I don't know if this mathematically is just supposed to end up being this way with all the planets all make these symbol. I mean, it's incredible how all three of these forms make this same symbol. But here you see the spirograph form that we've been talking about.